Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to customize gestures for your earbuds HONOR Earbuds X6. You have to start by open HONOR AI Space application, and if you add your earbuds to the application you will see the same menu as me, and right here you need to tap on it at the device list. After that, go to shortcuts, and now let's work with it. So for the single press we have only one option, is to answer or finish the call. So by default it's selected, but you can select to none if you don't need this gesture. It's up to you, just tap at the best one for you. Next, for the double press, by default we have play pause on both of these earbuds, but we can select to call voice assistant or play previous or next track, but I don't recommend it to use previous and next track for the double press, because for the triple press we only have these two options. So let's say for the left I wanna wake up my voice assistant, so I select it, and if you have Apple device you need to click done. If you have Android you can just tap at the empty space. And as I said previous, for the triple press we have only play next or previous track, so you can just leave it here, or you can set it to none if you don't need it, or you can, let's say, call only next track with a triple press. And then we have press and hold, and for the press and hold we have the same situation as with single press. This is only a call option, is to reject a call, and by default it's disabled, and to enable it just tap on it. We can't adjust volume with these gestures, we have no option here to do this. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!